Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. Kitchen shears. Meet your new everyday kitchen essential, the KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these durable scissors are designed to handle all your cutting needs, from herbs and meat to packaging and more. The sharp, stainless steel blades provide precision and power with every cut, while the soft grip handle ensures comfort and control, even during long cooking sessions. With a sleek black finish and included protective sheath, these shears are both safe and stylish to store. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Perfect for home chefs and busy kitchens alike. Mixing bowls. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultimate all-in-one mixing bowl set. This 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set with airtight lids has everything you need for mixing, prepping, grating, and serving, all in one stylish khaki design. You'll get 6 different bowl sizes, 7, 4, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, and 1 quart, perfect for everything from tossing salads to whipping batter. Each bowl comes with a tight seal lid to keep your food fresh, plus grater attachments that make slicing and prepping effortless. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls steady while you mix, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or serving guests, this mixing bowl set brings convenience, organization, and style to every cooking experience. Meat thermometer. Cook your meals to perfection every time with the 0.5 seconds instant read meat thermometer. With plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision, this digital thermometer gives you ultra-fast, accurate readings for meat, candy, barbecue, and more. Its sleek red design is not only stylish but also practical, making it easy to handle in the kitchen, oven, or grill. Perfect for chefs, home cooks, or as a gift for him, dad, husband, or any cooking enthusiast will love it. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, this thermometer ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Upgrade your cooking gadgets with this must-have digital meat thermometer today. Olive oil sprayer. Looking for a smarter way to use oil in your kitchen? Meet the TrendPlane 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer, your new 2-in-1 kitchen essential. This sleek and durable sprayer lets you easily control how much oil you use, whether you're cooking in the air fryer, grilling barbecue, or dressing up a salad. Made from premium glass with a modern black finish, it's stylish, eco-friendly, and built to last. The fine mist design gives you perfect coverage every time, no more mess or waste. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or even soy sauce, this TrendPlane sprayer brings precision and flavor to every meal. Upgrade your cooking today with the TrendPlane 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer, the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. Luo Coco Cute Egg Separator. Make baking and cooking easier with the Luo Coco Cute Egg Separator. This fun ceramic chicken-shaped gadget separates egg yolks from whites quickly and cleanly, keeping your hands mess-free. Compact, practical, and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for home bakers and kitchen enthusiasts. Add a touch of fun to your cooking with this adorable and efficient egg-splitting tool, a must-have kitchen assistant. Jar opener. Tired of struggling with tight jar lids and stubborn bottle caps? Meet the OttStar Jar Opener, your ultimate 3-in-1 kitchen helper. Designed especially for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone with weak hands, this smart tool makes opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless. The ergonomic handle provides a strong, non-slip grip, while the durable stainless steel teeth grip the lid firmly. No more pain or frustration. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to store and perfect for everyday use in the kitchen. Whether you're opening a sauce jar, water bottle, or pull-tab can, the OttStar Jar Opener gets the job done quickly and safely. Available in stylish blue and gray, it's the must-have gadget that brings comfort and convenience back to your cooking routine. Cutting board. Elevate your kitchen prep with the titanium cutting board, a durable, double-sided cutting board made from pure titanium and wheat straw pages. This food-grade board is safe, non-toxic, and perfect for chopping, slicing, and dicing all kinds of ingredients. Its large 16-inch by 11-inch size gives you plenty of workspace, while the double-sided design helps keep your kitchen organized and hygienic. Easy to clean and built to last, this cutting board combines strength, style, and practicality in one sleek package. Whether you're prepping vegetables, meat, or baked goods, the titanium cutting board is a must-have kitchen essential for every home chef. Kitchen Gizmo Snap End Strain. Make draining pasta and veggies easier than ever with the Kitchen Gizmo Snap End Strain. This innovative silicone strainer clips directly onto your pots and pans, letting you drain water safely and efficiently without extra colanders. Heat-resistant and durable, it handles hot noodles, vegetables, and more without warping. Its compact, space-saving design keeps your kitchen organized and clutter-free, while the gray silicone adds a modern touch to your cookware. Perfect for everyday cooking, this gadget makes meal prep faster, safer, and cleaner. Upgrade your kitchen with the Snap End Strain, the smart, convenient strainer every home chef needs. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Add style and convenience to your kitchen with the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. This sleek automatic grinder set comes in a pack of 2, perfect for salt, pepper, or any spice you love. Simply flip it upside down, and it automatically grinds. No buttons, no effort. The adjustable coarseness lets you choose how fine or coarse you want your seasoning, while the built-in LED light ensures perfect control, even during evening dinners or BBQs. Powered by batteries, these grinders combine power with precision, giving your meals that fresh, gourmet flavor every time. With their modern black design, they're not just practical, they're a stylish addition to your dining table or kitchen counter. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Convenience and flavor in every twist. Corn Stripper and Peeler Tool. Make corn prep faster and easier with the Corn Stripper and Peeler Tool with Bowl, your quick, safe way to remove corn kernels in seconds. Designed with a sharp stainless steel blade and a built-in bowl, this handy gadget catches every kernel neatly. No mess, no waste. The non-slip safety handle gives you a secure grip, while the compact design makes it easy to use and store. Perfect for fresh salads, soups, and homemade corn dishes, this tool saves time in the kitchen and keeps your hands safe from slips. With its bright yellow color and efficient design, the Corn Stripper and Peeler Tool is a must-have for every home cook who loves convenience and clean cooking. Meat Chopper. Say goodbye to clumpy ground meat and uneven cooking with the professional meat chopper, your new must-have kitchen tool. This multifunctional gadget is perfect for chopping, mashing, and mixing ground beef, turkey, or potatoes with ease. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant nylon, it's safe to use on all non-stick cookware. No scratches, no mess. The ergonomic handle gives you a firm, comfortable grip, while the 5-blade design quickly breaks up meat for perfect texture and even cooking every time. Whether you're preparing tacos, chili, mashed potatoes, or sauces, this hamburger chopper gets the job done fast. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it's built for everyday use. Simplify your cooking and save time with this all-in-one meat chopper, the perfect kitchen gadget for every home cook. Dish Brush. Make dishwashing easier with the Remy Dish Brush with Soap Dispenser Storage Set. This smart kitchen tool comes with 2 brush refills and a holder for mess-free storage. Just fill the handle with soap, press, and scrub. It's that simple. Perfect for dishes, pans, pots, and sinks, the durable bristles cut through grease fast while keeping your hands clean. Stylish, practical, and built to last, the Remy Dish Brush Set makes cleaning faster, easier,